Hello friends, today we will discuss about the Kotak Bank. You can see that we have used 1 hour chart. So today I am going to explain you the concept about the support resistance. Okay, so you can see that on the chart there is a three types of support. One support is a horizontal support and resistance we have plotted. You can see on the screen horizontal support at the top side, in between, middle and bottom side. This is called as a horizontal support. One support you can see, this is a inclined support. So basically inclined vertical support and inclined downward side support, both kind of support we are going to show, and it will be very useful. In this chart you can see that the inclined kind of support, it is shown, it is forming a channel. Okay, so the Kotak Bank is moving in this particular channel. Okay, there is a one more type of support that is called as a dynamic support. So this dynamic support I have plotted on 200 exponential moving average, and you can see that if you are using the higher time frame, approximately 1 hour or 30 minutes of time frame, it will be very useful for your swing trading. So for this swing trading, you can see this will be shown over here as a blue line, and you can see that this blue line it will show very nicely on this 1 hour chart. It is crossing the price at this particular location, and how it will go up. So we can take our position from this point and it will go up to this point. So you can see that 647 points we will earn within how much time. You can see that this is a 26th of October, and this point is around December 20. So within 2 to 3 months of points, this particular stock Kotak Bank is rising around 650 points. So if you can use the dynamic support, it will be definitely very useful on 200 EMA. Also you can see if you are going to use the lower time frame, that is a 30-minute time frame, and if you are using and apply for the swing trading, you can see that how beautifully this thing is used. So you can see over here it is a shorting position. So approximately if we can short over here when this 200 AMA is above the this particular price. So if you can short over here, and you can just wait for approximately the time period is around you can see 15th March to 22 April. So approximately 2.5 months we are going to earn around 262 points. So in this way, when this particular dynamic support crosses up to this point, we can use, and later on we can exit our position. So even though if you want to use even shorter time frame, and recently what kind of changes taking place, so both kind of supports are definitely useful. But you can see this right now, this stock from the month of March to till date, it is in the zigzag motion and not in big up and down for longer time, longer swing trading. So instead of using this dynamic support, if you can think for shorter time and for swing trading, suppose we can use 5 minutes of time frame, and you can look at the daily or intraday how we can do that. So even also for intraday also we are going to get some point with respect to this channel line. You can see this is a channel line, and in this channel line you can see that the stock is we are going to get the point exactly on this channel, and this is a resistance. So you can see that it is coming down, and this dynamic support is also shows us that it is crossing and we are going to get our point. So if you can use this thing, even though for intraday also we are going to get around 85 points. So in what way we are using the supports and resistance is important for us. So three kinds of supports you can check, and basically if you can use shorter time frame for intraday, or even longer time frame of 15 minutes to 20 minutes, you are going to get so many points to get the things. So basically if you can think about the swing trading on longer time frame, instead of going for this exponential moving average 200 EMA, you can use the uh, uh, simple horizontal support and inclined support, or you can see the channel line. So you can see that how it is beautifully touch to these points, multiple points. I will show you how it is rejected on these particular points. This is 1 2, then it will take support over here, then going to top side, then it is again coming to this support. So here you can see that there is a horizontal support as well as this channel line it is going to touch. So based on that theory, it is the secondary confirmation also, horizontal line, horizontal support along with the channel line. If you have this kind of confirmation, it is possible to get a good point. And at this particular location you can see that there is a channel, our top side channel line, and this horizontal support. So we have a target point of this. So above that we know that there is a chances of reversal at this particular location, because there is a horizontal resistance also, and along with the inclined line you can see it is rejected in this particular point. This is the second point, horizontal as well as inclined resistance it is occurred. Here also the same thing we found, here also same thing we found. So this kind of small targets can be achieved around 150 50 points daily, it can be possible. So you can see that now right now what is a condition. You can see this is right now in the channels are not broken, and there is a strong horizontal support, and it is right now it is on the support, exactly on horizontal supports. So either there is a chances to break this line, and this point gives us a first target. So right now it is around 1746, and T1 target we are going to achieve around 1831. If it is again broken, then there is a secondary target approximately at this resistance level. So this is a second target 1908, because what happened over here you can see that there is again resistance at this point, there is a strong resistance. Why? Because so many times you can see that this is a 1 2, then there is a 3, so 3 times it is rejected. This is 4, so there is a rejection from this point. So we are going to achieve T1 target, and at the same time if it is not rejected from this particular point, then what happen, it will come down, and it is going to take support at this horizontal line. Okay, and if it is broken, then it will take support at this particular location on this horizontal support. Okay, and there is also a channel. So this is a observation for the Kotak Bank, and three kinds of supports and resistance how we can use. One is horizontal supports, it will be definitely useful for us. Second is inclined support, what we can say, that is trend lines we can plot in the inclined form of nature. And third is, kaun sa hai wo third, that is a dynamic support. So if we can use these three in combination, then it will be very beneficial for you. So this is the Kotak Bank on swing trading, as well as for the short term trading, what I mean, or for on the weekly basis even we can achieve some targets. So this is all about the my views. You can also do study by your own and see the confirmation, and accordingly on the basis of your own risk you can take the trade. But this is a small study, what is my observation, that observation it is shown. Okay, thank you.